Hello, entrepreneurs. Every year I get taxpayers, and as I'm preparing the return, they always say, "Look, I want some of those discounts that the wealthy get. I don't want to pay. I want this. I want that." And one thing that I always tell them is that, well, the wealthy do not wait to the end of the year to do taxes. In most cases, wealthy people, although they will delay doing their taxes to April because they may know that they owe, but they pretty much know how much they owe if they're going to owe. And it's not a surprise because they have a team of people who are preparing documentation and they're looking at their information every month. Nobody with money is just guessing out here, okay? Nobody with money, anybody that you respect, anybody that you admire, anybody that you want to pattern yourself after based on their business acumen, I promise you they are not going all year without bookkeeping. I promise you they are not going all year without knowing how much their company is making. They are closing those books every month. They are looking at their profit and they are getting detailed. They're going, hey, can I up the price here? Can I buy in bulk and lower my costs here? What can I do? They are reviewing it every month because when you are intentional about your business, when you are growing your business, you're going to have strategy. You're not going to just be doing something off the top of your head and hoping for good results and thinking, I feel it. I think I did. Ooh, I exchanged money. I have another video where I talked about opportunity costs and I kind of explained that just because you get money for your services or money for goods, that doesn't mean you turn a profit. Those are two very different things. And the only way you're going to know the difference is that you are intentionally reviewing with your accountant every month, with your bookkeeper, to make sure what you are doing. You cannot improve your business if you're still trying to do everything. If you're trying to be the salesman, you're trying to be the face of the business, and you trust no one, then guess what? Your business is only going to go so far. I did another video where I talked about if all of your resources are connected, then all of your opportunities are limited. So, guess what? It doesn't just mean your money. If you are everything in your business, there is no way you can be giving your business 100%. And I know you're looking like, Kim, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing so much, I don't have time. And therein lies the problem. There are certain things that only the CEO, the entrepreneur, the owner can do. And there are other things that you can hire someone to do. And I am your hiring. I am your back office accounting department. I am the person that can help you look at the finances, sit down and meet with you and go over the numbers and make sure that they are accurate. I always encourage entrepreneurs to hire me. You know why? Because in the beginning, you're not sure what the account should do. So if you bring on an employee, then you're trying to figure out what the employee is doing and you're supposed to be in charge of telling them. In the beginning of the business, you need a professional, and that professional, we will get to a certain level and then we will begin to add, and I'm able to teach and train your accounting department to bring them on. At the same token, every good company has an outside company, outside people to audit the books. And once again, you come back to the person that started it with you. See, this thing is about strategy. This thing we call business is a strategic plan. It is from level to level to level. It never stops growing. When you look at the lifestyles of the people that jet set and have the boats and the houses, and you're like, I want to get to that level. Do you think that person is really sitting down at the desk doing everything? Absolutely not. You cannot have financial freedom when you are tired trying to do everything. You're trying to answer the phone. You're trying to tally up, and everybody, the first thing people say, you want my receipts? And I tell them no. You can pick up a receipt off the ground. I want verifiable information so that when we produce financial statements, the financial statements will be worth the paper that is printed on or worth the computer screen that it comes on. And you cannot verify a receipt, but you can verify bank statements. You'll catch that later. And if you give me a call, we'll talk about it in our consultation. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee, because I want to see you win. Remember, you need somebody else to look at those books. Bye-bye.